Today, let's learn how to use one of Excel's most popular functions, Vlookup. Vlookup helps you find specific information in a table. Think of it like searching through a list to find a match. Suppose you have a table with student IDs and their names. You want to enter a student ID and get the name instantly. That's where Vlookup helps. The Vlookup formula looks like this. Equals Vlookup, open bracket, lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup, then close bracket. Let's break that down. Lookup value, what you want to search for, like a student ID. Table array, the full range that includes your data. Column index number, the number of the column that contains the result you want. So here in my example, student name, which is column number 2 where your required data exists. Range lookup, type false for an exact match. So now let's look at my example. Equals Vlookup cell number F11, which is lookup ID, B9 to C19, the range where my data exists. Column 2 in the range, and false since I am looking for an exact match. This tells Excel to look for the value in cell F11, search in the first column of the B9 to C19 range, and return the value from column 2, the student's name. Remember, the lookup value must always be in the first column of your selected range. And use false to avoid wrong matches. You can see here I am getting exact name under given student ID in cell E11. What if given student ID is wrong like this? Cell E11 provides error message. So that's it. Vlookup is a simple but powerful tool to save you time when searching for values in a large table. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more quick video lessons.